Oh shit, man. Watch out, you not stand up. Alright, there we go. Put you in the... Put you in the one draw. Wait! You need to go to the house.
Hey, give me a paper.
Shit.
It's all I do. It's all I do. Oh, man.
Hey, remember, magic is not... Giant.
You're supposed to go to the last one. Yeah, this one's a big deal.
Chill the hell out.
Primary objective is to eliminate all targets. Your objective's simple. Eliminate all bounty targets.
Te falla atuar, é que te se atuar a Camila, cama é que se That was your father.
All bounty targets. Enemy UAV overhead.
One up.
Moving. On your feet. We're counting on you.
Squad mates are in the safe zone. You're losing ground. Moving. Bounty targets are up. Get after them. KIA. Well done.
Kasi they're on the roof. Kasi dati po. Uya.
Get ready for the loadout.
Enemy UAV is online.
My station here.
Kiefer, chair.
Solid work. Taking the enemy.
Ikut sana.
Squad mates have entered the gulag. They'll need to survive to redeploy.
Oh my god. The same thing. That's not hold on. That's the one more thing. Looking at that.
Your squad mate won the fight.
Come on, Ian. Money.
Need some
Money.
Yeah.
Opening my car.
Taking effective fire.
TACOM, we're flying on fumes. UAV returning to tank.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
Mark. Wait.
Gas is inbound.
Hey, put telephone yung na use. Shandel. Please. Please, Shandel. Put this TV over there.
Check for me.
Please.
Authorizing LDBR strike on my grid.
LDBR inbound. Squad's in the safe zone. Gas is moving.
Hold on.
Let's get the car.
Hey. Wow, yeah, I see. Right. Hey. Nếu như ra sao đi ô ông sẽ tu hóa ai trốn mấy tu hóa là tự ra lại đi anh học. so cool.
Hey, come get me.
Fire sale active.
Oh, you
Isolation
did.
prices have been reduced.
What the fuck? You didn't hear me, guys? Say?
Hey, I tried to save you, man.
Your squad mates in the gulag. If they survive, they
Never
redeploy.
mind. Go buy me back.
It's all I got.
Squad mate redeploying to the AO.
Isa ka mo, isa ka may po, ilit there.
Yo, Magic.
Yo.
Come over, man. Casey's gonna come.
Now they see me.
Get to the safe zone. Gas is closing
Yeah,
in.
the way let's see. Let's see, pass the people.
But. Come. Come.
Fire sale started. Prices are back to normal.
Yes?
Yeah. Yo.
الله بالماضي من قليل من قليل
Requesting recon. Dusted him.
Thanks for the work. UAV overflight terminated. Position mark. Never mind.
It was amigo,
Gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
no, no.
Tell mommy. Mommy, yes? Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Kasih
Yeah.
You still have squad mates outside the safe zone.
Oh my God.
Got load out there, watch out. Oh, there's real people. Why you trash, bro? Why you hiding, man? Hey, be a load out, like,
New safe zone located. Gulag's closed until further notice.
you thought you gonna kill me, bro. Oh, there it is.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Wait, I hear somebody. Yep, there he is.
25 remaining.
Right here on me.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
You better not drop on us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I load out the diary. This is not true.
Gas is inbound.
Và một ca đúng không?
Missão da
Và
mano.
một ca đúng. Người offline cho cô thì vô đó.
Wala niya. Kamot pa lang. Galvan, be.
Hindi pa.
Napay pa lang.
Gas is closing in. Get to the
Ay.
new safe zone.
Oh, cover it. Ikaw, boleh. Oh, aku yun. Sisa nga pala ako pa mo. Ulo.
Napay. Dahil mo kayo niya. Down. Oh shit! Pick me up right now. Are you dead? Pick me up, Case. Magic. Oh, I'm survived. Yeah, that's what's up. I'm sorry, man. Shit, I did that to you. I have proximity check. They hear me, bro. No, I don't. Sorry, Magic.
Thank you.
Now you go, bro.
Oh, okay.
What?
Who here, party leader?
Let's go. Who's the party leader? Me? No. I
Yeah,
am
you.
not. Why the fuck you give it to me, KZ? I'll promote you, okay? Alright, that's you. What? Alright, there you go, Black Magic, you.
Nah, I'm gonna give it to you, bro.
No, yeah. What is that shit?
Hold on, hold on.
Iya. Iya, Bapak kasih, Bapak kasih.
Use this time for some target practice. Enemy dropping into the AO. Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Resurgence. Survive and you
Don't go stronghold, go chemicals.
eliminate targets.
stronghold.
Where we going?
Oh, I didn't know that
Hey.
there's rebirth. Wow. Is this resort team? Is this researching, right?
Yeah.
Yes, bro. What the fuck?
Wow. My first time playing it
Stone
again.
Age, bro. No, they took off 99. They kept this one.
Alright.
It's your favorite spot. So don't go fucking stronghold. And then he already done.
It's okay, I just wanna know if it's researching so I can buy.
They took over. They're getting carriers.
Stand by for redeployment.
Getting key card.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Taking effective fire.
Why you didn't put your clothes on there?
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
You wanna eat it? Hmm?
Squad made it to the safe zone. Ground moving. Your squad mates are redeployed. Well done.
But yeah, dude.
Contract remains. Squad mates KIA.
Oh my.
Right below you.
Yeah. Fuck, man, I need to change my setting, bro.
Back on station. Go get after it.
Lucky ass bitch. Coming down. Behind you.
Your squad
Green.
mates back on station. Good work.
Oh shit, for real.
Enemy UAV is online.
Motherfuckers.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Oh, yeah.
There was one in front of me and then the other one came from behind. We can make our way towards loadout, but I don't know. It's kind of risky.
I'll pick on you too. I'll pick on you. On me, I was saying on me, man, on me, man, on me, man, on me. Man on me, man on me, man on me, man on me.
I've got you, mate.
Dude, shit, fucking fun. Oh my god, you sneezy fucking bitch. Fuck you, fucking bitch ass nigger. Fuck you and you load out, bitch. I'm gonna put my feet there. I'm gonna put my feet up there.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a break.